Welcome to my calm and hydrating wash day routine, because my starter locks deserve all the love and luxury. First things first, I start off with the OUAI Detox Shampoo to remove buildup and refresh my scalp. A clean foundation is key, especially since I'll be retwisting today. And let's be real, a good scalp massage, that's a non-negotiable for me. This shampoo is clarifying, but it doesn't strip my hair, which is so important for keeping moisture in my locks. Next, I go in with the OUAI Medium Hair Shampoo to soften and hydrate. My locks are still in the early stages, so I'm keeping my routine light and nourishing. We love a shampoo that cleans without making the hair feel stiff, and this one does exactly that. I use the OUAI Medium Hair Conditioner to add back moisture to keep my locks feeling soft. Since I'm retwisting today, I want my hair to be hydrated but not too slippery. I rinse with cool water to lock in everything, and my locks feel so soft. Time to seal in that moisture. First, I use the Playa Monoi Milk Leave-In Conditioner. It's lightweight, so it won't cause buildup. Then I follow up with the OUAI Hair Oil to add shine and nourishment. Now for the fun part, retwisting. I use the braid gel to help keep my parts neat, but honestly, I don't really care about neat parts. I kind of just let my locks do what they want to do. But I'm still figuring out what products to use and the palm roll technique. If you have any tips for beginners, drop them in the comments. Some sections came out cleaner than others, but we're learning. After my retwist, I sat under the dryer for 15 minutes to set everything in place. Once my hair was dry, I felt so put together, and I'm so excited for this journey. And that's my hydrating wash day routine.